It's been quite a bit, a lot of expansion over the past couple of years, both in our third-party partnerships that we have throughout the geography, as well as our organic development. Between what we've done with our Blade Repair Center down in Broussard, Louisiana, just fantastic example of certain capabilities that we find are best managed by organic investment to bring the right level of quality, industry-leading turnaround times to that particular piece of the operation. That has also facilitated down in Louisiana our ability to have a hub and have a warehouse there as well that's really positioned strategically right in the highest concentration of Augusta-Westland fleet we have probably worldwide. So the new facility in Florida, the Whiting Aviation Park right outside the naval base, is just really a huge move forward for us in terms of capability development. We've been doing gearbox overhaul here in Philadelphia. We're fully equipped here in Philadelphia with test benches for all the intermediate and tail gearboxes for the fleet, and we've been equipped for some years for main gearboxes for 109 and 119. Obviously with the growth of the fleet, 139, 169, 189, we also needed somewhere to grow the capability for gearboxes on there. So we're putting in addition to the 24,000 square foot hangar, all of the back shops we're putting in, we're also installing a main gearbox test bench that is full multi-model to support everything in the geography. 109, 119, 139, 169, 189. Customers need to be supported, and our network is a huge piece of that. So the entire network strategy really boils down to three words for us: capability, proximity, and partnership. When we speak of capability, ultimately at the end of the day, every single component on our helicopters should be able to spend its entire life cycle right here in this continent. When we speak of proximity, we ultimately expect every customer to be able to receive the support and the service they need, and to have a partner in that along their journey to make them successful, no more than a single flight away. And when we speak of partnership, the partners that we're creating, the partners that we depend on, we want our customers to depend on, that needs to feel seamless to the customer. And they need to be able to depend on their partners for the level of quality they come to expect directly from Leonardo. We've got a series of initial requirements that we set up and we manage with the service centers. Training is a huge piece of that. Tooling is a huge piece of that as well. And one of the biggest transitions I think we've made as we've expanded the network by over 30% in just the past couple of years is a huge focus on the quality of partnership that we have there. Customers are already trusting them, the customers are now trusting us, and it's just a matter of bringing that full circle. Over the almost 19 years that I've been here, it's been incredible. Just to see the growth here, to be a part of the growth, to be a part of the growth of the company, the product, and everything we've been a part of, has just been incredible. I couldn't think of being anywhere else.